No Marxism in the United States. President Trump does his constitutional duty and, with the advice and consent of the Senate, nominates judges to the Supreme Court. President Trump nominates Judge Amy Coney Barrett, #1 in her class in Notre Dame law. As a federal court of appeals judge, she's already been fully vetted and approved by the Senate. Clerked with the icon of fairness, Justice Anthony Scalia. Senators will decide yes or no, pro or con. The Supreme Court of the United States has lost an icon, Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg. Senators refusing to vote on President Obama's nominee to the Supreme Court should recognize that a president is elected for 4 years, not 3. In a 2019 interview with Salon, Ruth Bader Ginsburg was quoted as saying the following: 9 seems like a good number. It's been that way for a long time. I think it was a bad idea when President Franklin Roosevelt tried to pack the court. Court packing? Come on, man. You don't deserve to know. The president must nominate a candidate to the Senate for their approval. Fill the seat. Supreme Court of the United States, we interpret the law. The other branches pass and enforce them. Remember, elections have consequences. Vote Trump-Pence 2020.